Question 1. What was Ezekiel's profession before his prophetic ministry? A. Shepherd. B. Priest. C. King. D. Farmer. Answer. B. Priest. Question 2. Where was Ezekiel when he received his first vision? A. Jerusalem. B. Egypt. C. Babylon. D. Samaria. Answer. C. Babylon. Question 3. What river is mentioned in Ezekiel chapter 1? A. Jordan. B. Euphrates. C. Chebar. D. Nile. Answer. C. Chebar. Question 4. What did Ezekiel see supporting God's throne? A. Angels with swords. B. 4 living creatures. C. Pillars of fire. D. Mountains. Answer. B. 4 living creatures. Question 5. What unusual object was closely associated with the creatures in Ezekiel's vision? A. Trumpets. B. Wheels within wheels. C. Golden lamps. D. Scrolls. Answer. B. Wheels within wheels. Question 6. What title does God repeatedly use for Ezekiel? A. Prophet of fire. B. Servant of Israel. C. Son of man. D. Watcher of Zion. Answer. C. Son of man. Question 7. What was Ezekiel commanded to eat in chapter 3? A. Bread and water. B. A scroll. C. Bitter herbs. D. Honeycomb. Answer. B. A scroll. Question 8. What was the scroll said to taste like? A. Bitter. B. Sour. C. Sweet like honey. D. Tasteless. Answer. C. Sweet like honey. Question 9. What role was Ezekiel appointed to for Israel? A. Judge. B. King. C. Watchman. D. Warrior. Answer. C. Watchman. Question 10. How long did Ezekiel lie on his left side to symbolize Israel's sin? A. 40 days. B. 70 days. C. 390 days. D. 430 days. Answer. C. 390 days.